So hi guys, today video we learn how we make logos from AI for on YouTube channel or any other social media profile. This is just a 2-minute work. The AI professional logos makes for you. So choose the logo you like. Watch the video till the end to see this method. First of all, open any browser. I am open the Google Chrome browser. Go and search bar and type logoai.com and search this. After search, open this first website. You can see such a website will open in front of us. You will be able to create such professional logos from here. You see this that too for free. Click the icon of let's make a logo. Click here and continue option. Write a name of your logo like I am write funny again. Then click continue. Select a category of your YouTube channel or other pages or profile like I am. Select the animal and pets. Choose a color for your logo like I am. Select gray color. Click continue. Then you see this page. Click all their fonts and click generate. So you can see the logos made in front of us. If you skip the video from here, you will not be able to learn how to download free. You can see how professional all these logos are looking. This AI is really make your life easy. So guys, click this one logo. You see the behind of logo. We see the watermark of this website. So if you skip this video, you will not be able to download this without watermark. So guys, you see this logo will look like this is in different places. Guys, come in the front page of this logo and take a screenshot. After take screenshot, you will go to Pixel Lab application or any other image editor application. Then select the picture of screenshot and crop this. Increase its size and adjust. After the adjust, erase the background. Click here and save video in HD format. Then your logo and download in your gallery. Then you use this logo in any places.